Welcome back to Tiyuki TV.
In 3.3 miles, turn right onto Skyline Boulevard.
In this episode, we are going to take Miss Margaret to her drive test. Will it be a pass or fail? Well, let's find out. Please join us and let's find out together. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider liking and sharing our videos. And please subscribe to the channel. Miss Margaret is already a pretty good driver. We've been practicing for a while now, and this is D-Day. Alright, this is going to be fun. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Please join us. Let's go. Yeah, dito na tayo mag-switch. Go. Good luck.
Thank you po.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Pull out of the curb, please. Good luck. Nice. Oh, yung over the shoulder mo. This is the time to exaggerate. Okay, man. No, no. Point. Point. 1 point. Okay, 15 errors lang ang allowed sa'yo. So, make sure mag-reserve ka sa dulo. Just make sure yung first minutes mo,
Saan po
lampasan mo muna siya.
Okay.
Dapat hindi mo kita yung line. They will ask you to make a right turn. Ito yung yield sign mo. If it's a red, ano ulit?
Full stop po and then check.
Check. Left, check front. Ayan o, pag green, you go super slow down lang. Sige lang, keep looking. Doon. Then, dito sa harap. Pag wala, you can go na. Op, sobra. Change lane to the left, please. Top left lang, top left. Palaging sunod ka sa top left. Ito, pag nag-yellow to, 10 feet away from the line ka, you can go. Ayan. Pwede tayo mag-practice. Warm up lang. Okay, every time papasok ka sa isang lane, doon ka sa gitna. Huwag kang too close to the left, too close to the right line. So, change lane to the left. This is going back to DMV. Slow down ka lang. 5 to 10 ka na dito. Okay, doon take a pause lagi kasi yun, blind spot mo yun. Okay, let's go make a left, please. Up, dahan-dahan yung paa mo. Left turn, left lane. Left turn, left lane. Yan ang correct lane mo. Kasi itong lane, itong arrow na to, gagamitin niya. Let's go make a right, please. Yan, may stop sign niya. So, supposed to be hinto siya. So, you have to make sure. Doon ka sa red curve. Go to the red curve.
Dito po. Okay. So, medyo ano po pala.
Go to the red curve. Or kung sinabi nilang go to the middle lane, na yung middle lane.
Okay.
So, make a left. Minsan kasi hindi nila sasabihin kung saan ka pupunta. Kaya, doon ka lagi sa red curve pupunta. Yung lane na yon, that's the left lane. Left, middle, and right. Let's go straight.
Nasa middle.
how do you not hit a curb? Palaging itapat mo yung curb doon sa side mirror mo. So make a right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, not yet. Too early yan. Sige lang. Sige lang. Go straight muna. Then yun, nakita mo na yung curb. You go make a right turn. Dapat itatapat mo siya sa side mirror mo. Okay, don't forget may stop sign ka rin dito. Okay, ayun. Let's go make a left, please. Oh, hindi ka nag full stop. Let's go. Oh, mabagal yan. Pag wala, you go na. Hindi pwedeng tumitingin-tingin ka pa kasi ma-minusan ka na examiner mo. Kasi that's your, ano na eh. That's your gap na. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-take time. Let's go make a left. How many?
Dalawa.
Oh, -1. Walang stop, walang turn signal. Nakikita mo yung line doon? Ay, itong manhole pala. Don't go more na lang. Let's go make a left. Yan. As long as walang sasabay sa'yo doon, you're good. Okay, at the stop, let's go make a left, please. Okay, before ka mag-stop, 1, 2, oh, pero you have to full stop. So let's go make a left. Yung stop mo, before ka mag-actual stop, nakatingin ka na doon.
Okay.
Yung pangalawang tingin mo dito, naka-stop ka na.
Full stop.
Oo. Kasi pag nag-left, right, left ka, gumagalaw pa rin yung kotse mo. -1 ka for not making a complete stop. Okay, at the stop, let's go straight. How many stops? Alright. Yeah, before ka mag-stop, tingin na doon. 1, 2, 3. Oh, then sisilip ka na. Ang kotse mo nakatapat lang dun sa curb. Oh, yung traffic check ulit bago ka umalis. Yeah. Alright, please pull into the curb. Yun. Mag-start kang mag-count lagi sa long curb. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at your distance. Yung asphalt ang tinitignan mo, wag mo siyang lalampasan, pero go as close as you can. Uy, ang galing, no? Up! Driveway. Bawal ka dyan sa driveway. Ayan, oh, driveway, oh. Bawal ka dito. Yeah, doon ka lang. Huwag kang pupunta sa... Kaya sabi long curve lang kasi nasa... Yung short curve nasa mga driveway yan. Okay, let's go back up, please. Warming up lang tayo. Okay, tignan mo lagi and then constant yung galaw mo, wag kang brake ng brake. They will tell you when to stop. Sige lang, mabagal ito. Ito, ganito, keep this speed. Sige lang, tignan mo, lumalayo ka na. Lumalayo ka, babagsak ka nila dyan. You go in. Maintain mo lang yung distance mo from the curb. Okay, then you keep looking at the back, then balikan mo agad to. Yan, sige lang. Sige, warm up tayo dyan. Sige lang. Stop the car. Oh, pull out of the curb, please. Basta tandaan mo, yung distance mo lang ang tinitignan nila dyan. Keep exaggerate mo lang siya. Keep exaggerating over the shoulder. Sige. Hanggat wala ka pa sa lane mo, you keep looking over the shoulder.
Okay.
Yan, kasi nga yung safety mo, pag biglang may humaharurot dyan, you can still go back.
Okay.
Yun yung purpose mo doon. Kaya wag mo pagbibitawan yung over the shoulder. So make a right, please. Oh, you have to go. Kasi pag pinauna mo yung pula, -1 ka doon. Ito na yung sinasabi ko. Let's go make a left, please. Pag may parating, sino mauna? Pag may parating, yes. Paa mo sa brakes. Huwag kang pupunta dito. Alright, sige, let's go straight. Dapat gusto nila nasa correct lane ka lagi. Always watch out for illegal pedestrians or mga nagpupull out. Wala kang gagawin kundi mag-stop lang. Never change lane. Let's go straight. Nice. Let's go straight. Nag-slow down ka na before ka pumunta dun sa baba. Dito ka naman pababa, pataas siya. I-compensate mo na naman siya. Or else sasabihin nila, mabagal ka sa daan, sabi nila. -1 lang naman yan, pero sayang pa din. Okay, pag may pedestrians, ano gagawin mo?
Titingnan.
You offer. Ganun ka.
Oo, kapag may dala
Oo,
ako.
kasi may bumabagsak sa ganyan. Oh, full stop yan. Full stop. Okay. Wag na.
Meron.
Basta yung full stop, wag ka magro-rolling stop.
Oh,
Kasi
okay
rolling
po.
stop yung ginagawa mo kaninang
Ay.
sumisilip ka.
Okay.
Basta pag nag-stop ka sa exam, full stop talaga.
So, ano ko muna po siya. Tapos full stop and then tsaka po.
Yeah. Hindi ka pwedeng sumisilip tapos nagro-rolling. Yan oh. Left, right, left ka agad dyan. Wala na kasi.
Okay.
Then you can go na. Then top left ka lang lagi. Yan. Yan, police. Don't have the right of way. Sabihin sa kanila. Let's go straight, please. One, two, three. Yeah, change lane to the right, please. Nice. Ito, okay lang na matama mo yung konting puti.
Okay.
Kasi may parking doon. Okay, in your exam, only go on green. Yeah, let's go make a right turn, please. Go to the correct lane. Tapos ngayon, go to your correct speed na. Okay, let's keep going straight. Okay, change lane to the left, please. Oh, look at your speed. Dapat maximum ka dito. Change lane to the right, please. Okay, palagi, pag may sasakyan sa likod, palagi mo, pag nasa upper half, matatanda mo pa yung upper half
Okay.
na side mirror. Pero you have to, bumagal ka na ulit. Huwag kang babagal dito kasi malayo ka pa. Ayan, sayang yung grid mo. Pag inabutan ka, pag ito nag-yellow 10 feet away, yan, going. Di ba? Pag nag-slow down ka kasi maabutan ka ng green light.
Okay.
Nararamdaman ko na lang kasi yun, kaya nag-slow down. Oy, mabilis, mga ganun ako. Okay, dito ka nagkamali ka.
Sobrang style.
Sobrahan lang. Dito pa lang, sinusundan mo na yung top left mo. Susundan mo na lang, yung line mo. Yun, then go 25. Diba? Malinaw na. Let's go straight at the stop light. Let's go make a right turn.
Tinignan ko po kanina yung yellow.
Yellow na.
Ayun.
Yun. Laka. Let's go make a right. Okay, green na naman. So you go super slow. Gitna ka ng lane. Hindi ka nasa gitna. Nandun sa farthest. Dito ka, Yeah, doon sa gitna ka ng lane para hindi ka masyadong mapunta doon sa kabila. Change lane to the left. Okay, let's go. Make a left turn. Hindi lang. Wala namang chance na isasara nila yan eh. Okay, at the corner, let's go make a right, please. At the corner, let's go make a right. Yan na may tumatawid. Let's go make a right, please. Yan medyo ano ka dyan, awareness yun. That's fair. Let's go straight. Go to the correct speed na. Ano yung speed limit mo dito?
25.
25. Okay, ano ang blinking red ulit?
Always stop.
Always stop. Let's go make a right, please. Ganda naman ang kotse nito. Ghostbuster. Congratulations! Thank you! Los Celso! Congratulations!
7 po.
Woohoo! Let's go! Go get your license! Yay! This concludes our episode for today. Congratulations, Miss Margaret, for a job well done. This is just a matter of taking the drive test, because we've already been practicing for a while and she has been ready for quite some time. It's just a matter of taking the drive test and just making it legit. Congratulations, Miss Margaret. Practice really does make it perfect. So for those of you who wants to take the test, practice. Keep practicing until the behind the wheel test comes. Alright, so this is Tiyuki TV, and until next time, bye for now.